if you take a closer look at this, you can see that this is bigger than our average pocket, right? So I'm just going to call this at a total of, you can see the wideness here, the height is 9 inches and the wideness we have here is 7 inches. The total wideness of the pocket is going to be at a total of 5 inches and the height is going to be a total of 6 inches. Plus the design that's going to top tip is going to be 6.5 in total. So I need you guys to pay good attention here. So I'm going to fold these together to get the center point. Just fold it together like this and just get your center point. You can see what I did. Once I have that center point, exactly on that center point, I'm going to mark my exact. Also get your middle points just like this. This is going to be my middle point as well. You can see that. So just like so, I'm going to have my middle point here. So I'll be working with the wrong part. So this is my middle point. From this my middle point, my total height for my pocket is going to be 5.5 that I told you guys. The total height is 6 inches. So just like this, I'm going to divide my 6 inches exactly at this place. You can see that 6 inches right here and 6 inches right here. Also here, the wideness of my pocket, as I told you guys, is going to be a total of 5 inches. That's going to be divided by 2. That's going to be 2.5. So here we have 2.5 and here we have 2.5. You see that? So we have. So from the middle, I'm going to still measure that, which is going to be 2.5 here. So I can have a straight line on the side. Here also, 2.5 as well. I'll do the same thing on this side, 2.5. And here also, 2.5. You see that? So from here, you can see that here as well. I'm going to connect it together. You see that? So here as well, I'm just going to I'll make a straight line here. Here also, make sure your rule is straight. So this is my entire pocket. This is my entire pocket itself. So now you have to understand that if you're placing this on your fabric, this is going to be the right side. This gum part is going to be the one facing the clothes, right? So if this is going to be facing the clothes, the design we want to do is going to be on this side, which is going to be on the left side. So here is where the design is going to be. So the first thing we are going to do now is to simply curve the edge. So the edge of the pocket is going to be from here, 1 inch, just here, and also 1 inch at this place, just here. So from this 1 inch, we are going to have this on our center point, which is going to be here. You can see that. So that's the hem of the pocket. So from here, connect this together. You see that? From here as well, you can see what I'm doing. I'll connect this together. So we have the edge of our pocket. And don't forget, this is where our design is going to be. So this center point also, I'm going to divide it just like so. You can see that. So from this center point, based on the design we are doing, the design is going to go like this. So here, I'm going to have this come like this, a little bit above the pocket. You can see what I did here, a little bit above the pocket. I'm going to go down just like this. Just a little bit above the pocket, and here I want it to, so from here a little bit above the pocket, I'm going to simply slant this way. I'm not going to use measurement on that, all the way like this. You can see that, and it's going to come just like so. Just like so. You see what I have? So as it's come just like so, we are going to have an opening in between, and the opening is going to have a sharp edge coming like this. Just coming like this. This is the one that is going to carry the black fabric. The black fabric that will go like this, and this is going to be the main pocket itself, right? So once we have that, after cutting this, we're still going to overlap it a little bit, right? So that the black is going to be, so at a total, we're going to have our wideness at a total of 4.5 inches wideness for the pocket. So now, once I have that, the next thing is to simply start the cutting process. So starting from here, I'm just going to cut it like so. You can see that, and here, cut it straight. You can see. So this is going to end around here. You can see, this is the corner, this is the corner part. This one likewise. I'm just going to cut this one just out like this. You can see this one, likewise this one, the main pocket. You can see that. See that? So once you have that, you can see what we are going to be having. This is going to overlap like this. And this is going to be, you can see what the pockets will look like. This will overlap like this, and this is going to be inside and still going to like come down a little bit. See that we are getting somewhere. So now this is the fabric we are using, white and black. So this white right now is going to be, I'm going to like wrap this in white. Now depending on how you want it to be, if you want it to be like slant, so you're going to wrap this in white and it's going to like come, let me turn it, it's going to come, you can see it in slant. So also this one, I'm going to wrap it also in white. It could come in slant or any form. It can just be straight. I want this to be in straight, I want this to be in slant, and this one, I'm going to wrap this one in black. Likewise, it's going to come in slant as well. So I'm going to take it to the ironing table and gum all of it and cut it out. So here's what we're going to be having. This after gumming it to the fabric. You can see I make this one straight, I make this one slant, and I make this one full slant, right? So after joining, I will take this to the ironing table. Also, I'm going to fold all of the edges. You can see, fold all of the edges, everything all step by step. And also I'm going to fold this one as well. So after folding this, we are simply going to be able, you can see this word, I'm going to fold this one as well. Then after we are done, we can simply align them all together. You can see what I'm having here. You can see where this is going to be. You can see that. You can see what that's looking like so far. So this is going to be, the main outfit itself is actually a black. And don't forget, this is a white, this is a white. It's like the reverse is the same thing. This is the main fabric of the outfit itself. It's a black. So if you're having a straight line of black looking like this is going to be like in the middle, and this is going to be on the side. So this is going to be obvious, like the pocket design is going to be obvious on the outfit itself. So this is what we're going to be having after we are done. You see what we have here. This tail is just basically to just disrupt the straight line on the black outfit itself. That's why I put this tail. So you know the black outfit is going to have a straight line following this same line here, but this tail is going to like disrupt it at the edge. So that is the result you're going to be having. If you are done and you want to add your metal tag, probably you're going to add your metal tag at exactly this corner right here. You see what I have here? Just exactly this corner right here, or depending on where you want to put it. You could put it here, you could put it here, but this is where I'm going to be putting it. Just somewhere exactly around here. That's where my tag is going to be. So that's about it on this tutorial. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you are yet to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on another one. Peace, and do have a lovely rest of your day. Bye bye.